Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a little haul from Joann's, and I am uploading this earlier than my usual Friday hauls just because these were on sale, and I'm hoping that they're still on sale, and I wanted to give you guys just a heads up what's in these paper pads in case you're interested. So so their paper pads are 40% off. This was on Friday, so hopefully this is a Saturday video, so hopefully they're still on sale. I will link them down below for sure. So I have 3 paper pads, 1 big one and 2 smaller ones. And this one is a new one. This is from Dcwv and it's called English Garden. The normal price is $14.99, but being 40% off, it was $8.99. So, and then I think if you do like curbside pickup, you can usually get an extra 20 or 25% off. So check your app for that. So let's go through this one and then I'll show you the other ones as well. And I really like this one. Erica Scrapdiva29 had shown this on her channel. She got all the new Dcwv ones. My store did not have all of them, but I really like this one. So let's take a look. And Dcwv, their premium paper pads are double-sided, which this is one of them, which I am very happy for. And I'm going to stay zoomed out a little bit so you can see both sides. The first page is a really pretty like peachy color with flowers, butterflies, and it looks like there's 2 of each. The back side is just like a tiny little print. And then we have some cut aparts. There's some 3x4s, or is that 2x3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3x4s. And then there are some strips at the bottom, some banners and tags. So these will definitely come in handy. I'd love things like this to add to cards and embellishments. And these colors are so soft and muted. I'm thinking they'll go really nicely with like the, Heritage from Maggie Holmes, things like that. What does that say? The world needs what you've got. Oh, that's pretty. And there's a love you. And I think these would be good for both like masculine and feminine cards. So that's always good. Speaking of that, this would totally be a good masculine card. Father's Day is coming up before you know it. So it's good to have paper stacks like this on hand. Has a pretty wood background. And oh, that must have been the background for, yeah, this is the background for the tag, sorry. So, or the backside. The backside of this one is a script. And then we have nice plums and peaches and golds. Also good for fall, I think. Cute butterflies. And I like this, what do you call that print? Or that pattern? Can't think of it. And then we get into a foiled piece. This is so pretty. This totally gives me the Maggie Holmes vibes with the florals and the gold. And it's kind of like a soft, I don't know, purpley background. Very, very light though. And the back of that is just kind of like a distressed, like caramel color. And then this plummy Merlot color with a nice white floral print. And it's got a nice green small print on the back. Another foil page. This one's beautiful. More gold foiling. And these are little hearts on like a soft white background. Really like that one. And the back is, it's like that floral pattern, but no foiling. Just a muted palette. Oh, how pretty is that? Isn't that gorgeous? This one deserves to be held up. I could see this being a wallpaper, right? Peaches and caramels and sage, off-white. And then there's that pretty like heart circle print again, different color. And then we have a small floral, beautiful, with a green botanical backside. Another floral page. This one's a little pinky, the background with gold foiling. Very small flowers. It's kind of like lilies of the valley, sort of. That's what it reminds me of. Nice floral print on the back. And then we have another butterfly print. A huge fan of butterflies. My kids do not like butterflies. I don't understand it. And I asked my daughter, she's 19 by the way, and she said, well, because you never know which way they're going to fly. They're just like all over the place. So, I don't know. I just thought they're pretty. And then another floral with a like plummy background. I don't know why I keep saying background. Backside. Oh, this is very nice. Nice soft brown. Really, really like these colors. I might save this mostly for fall and masculine projects. I like that background too. It's just got kind of like a tiny like floral print. And then we have a gold color, but not metallic, with like a damask pattern, I would say. A nice floral backside. Another floral or foiled print. Just very small, dainty, elegant. And that's the back. And then this is just like outline of a floral pattern. It's really, really pretty. And it's got like some inking on the edges, which is good for layouts. I don't really know how good that is if you want to cut it up, but and then you have like this faded kind of purpley floral pattern on the back. Another purpley pattern, but it's not really purple. It's more like a wine color. And this one has teeny tiny dots and some like distressing on the edges. A pretty butterfly pattern on the back. So basically it's all different kinds of flowers and butterflies and sprigs like that. Some more cut aparts. Today is a new day. Thank you. Thinking of you. And that's the back of that one. So this one again is called English Garden, one of Dcwv's new paper pads, and it's at Joann's. I will link that down below. Let's go on to the next ones. These are 6x6s, and this one is called Perfect Moments. And this is, well, it's new at Joann's. It's a first edition paper pad, but I looked it up online and it actually came out in 2018 in the UK at least. So let me take a second and cut off the sides because I forgot to do that. Okay, I got the tape off and I ripped the cover, which really annoys me, but whatever. So anyway, like I was saying, this came out in 2018, but it's new to Joann's, and I had seen this on Mommy Loves Gigi's channel, and I fell in love. I love first edition papers. Pretty Posy is like one of my favorite paper pads of all time. And the website says this is available in 12 by 12, and you can order it to be shipped, or I guess some stores have it. My store did not. So these are normally $9.99, 40% off. They were $5.99. So let's take a flip through of this. This says it has 2 fabric texture designs, 1 pearlescent design, 2 spot UV designs, and half double-sided papers. This is, actually it's not 6x6, it's 6x6.5. Interesting. So there are 48 sheets, 3 sheets of 16 designs. And also a beautiful palette, don't you think? So let's take a look. And I will hold this up so we can see a little bit better. These are really, really textured. It's like, kind of like a linen feel. Wallpaper, really nice and thick. And that's like a pretty, you know, paisley design. White and taupe colors, I'd call that. So there's 3 of each. This one is very subtle taupe pattern. Good for backgrounds, definitely. Those. And then this one, isn't that gorgeous? This one is obviously one of the pearlescent ones, and it's got gorgeous roses on it. It's like a coppery gold color with pink and green. Oh, it's just beautiful. I feel like I'm getting ready for fall with these paper pads. And then there's this one that, is this, I'm not sure if this is the UV texture they're talking about, but you can see it's like, it's kind of raised. It feels embossed. So I don't know. Let me just take a look again. Probably. I don't know. If you guys know if that's what spot UV designs means, let me know. Let's spray those. And then this one is also that like embossed feeling. Awesome, embossed without having to do all that work. So pretty. And this is just, I think it's regular paper, maybe double-sided. Nope, just regular paper. If you like browns and warm colors and taupes, things like that, you'll love this. That's pretty, like just a, you know, subtle lace kind of print pattern. And then we have some music notes. That's really pretty. If you have musicians in your family, this will be perfect, like me. And then this is pink. Yeah, you could tell online. And gorgeous, gorgeous floral. And that one is double-sided with just a pink, solid pink on the back. And you have this print, very, very soft and subtle taupe with the solid back. Three of those. And then a diagonal stripe one with all the different colors. That's beautiful. It's a stripe that I think you could use for, you know, male or female cards. And then it's just like a very subtle, like herringbone pattern on the back. And then there's that pattern. I don't know what that is. Just kind of abstract. With stripes on the back. And then another floral prints. Love some pink florals with polka dots. And these are all smooth. Oh, that's a cute heart. Kind of distressed heart, like over here you can see. Brown and taupe. The cute floral on the back of that. Yeah, these really go together, huh? This pad and the previous one. And that's a pretty floral as well. And a very subtle polka dot on the back. And then this wallpaper looking pattern with the back says, I will always love you. And I think that is it. Yeah, so that must have been the UV design. So yeah, that's Perfect Moments by First Edition. That is new at Joann's. I also got another first edition paper pad that is not new, but I got it because I only have like one mermaid kind of pad and I wanted another one. This one is called Beyond the Shore. You may have seen it before. Also normally $9.99 and on sale for $5.99. And this has the same kind of deal, although this has glitter effect designs. So let's take a look at Beyond the Shore if you haven't seen it. This is one of the pearl papers. Oh, that is gorgeous. What a pretty background that would be. Thinking more sky for that, right? And water. And then you have this. Oh, this is a UV design. Looks like a pool tile kind of thing. And these are purples and teals, whites, lavender. Those are single side. Ooh, look at that one. Can you see that texture? It's like waves or mermaid hair, kind of. There's a spot on there. Ooh, that's so pretty. And this has like that embossed effect. Nice aqua color. So 3 of those, of course. More scales, but these are all purple. Make this up. And then just a plain textured paper, different kind of scales. I'm not normally purple, but I do like to craft with it sometimes. And it's good to have a variety. And there's like a bubble page. This is smooth. Aqua color. 3 of those. Like on the other side. Here are some mermaids. Oh, aren't those so pretty? These are the glitter papers. The tails are all glittered. Oh, that's pretty. I love the hair. How cute, right? So I've got 3 of those, of course. And more glitter. Oh, this is so pretty. The stars are glittered. Love that. I'm trying to catch the glitter in the light, but hopefully you can see. It's not like really in your face glitter, just a subtle sprinkling, I'd say. And then we have a random marble pattern. How does that fit in with Beyond the Shore? I don't know. Maybe they ran out of ideas. But that has the back is like a stripe with kind of a watercolor print. Yeah, that one, I don't know. Then this is pretty, just like ombre kind of look. Smooth paper. And that has another like pool ball pattern or colorway there. Some mermaids, cute, cute, cute. That's like a periwinkle color background. The back of that's really pretty, sky. And then we have some anchors. This is like a mauve color. The back is ombre again. Different color ombre. We have some captain's wheels. And the background are seahorses. And then a pretty stripe. Purples and kind of sagey. Another ombre background. Or, oh, sorry, back side. And then some seashells. Really, really pretty. That's kind of like a turquoise color there. And some starfish or sea stars. And the last page is this one. Kind of like, not sure what that is. Well, not yeah, looks like sequins. But that can't be. I don't know. And then just purple scales. And these are smooth, but double-sided, so that's nice. All right, so these are the 3 paper pads I picked up. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys in case you were interested. Hopefully they're on sale still this weekend. In addition to, take a look, your Joann's probably has more than mine. Mine usually doesn't have the best selection. So anyway, thanks for joining me. I'll be back soon with another crafty video, and I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.